Hey guys. Okay, so jumping into the video, I'm just taking the Too Faced Gold palette and I'm going to take this color called Rolling in Dough right here. And I'm just applying it all over my lid. Next, I'm going in with cinnamon. I think I use cinnamon in every one of my makeup looks. Anyone else have a favorite transition color? Just me? Okay. Guys, I'm just applying cinnamon in a windshield wiping motion to my crease, and you'll see me building the color up until I'm happy with what I have. Still adding more color and blending it out. Now jumping into the Urban Decay Electric palette, I'm just gonna grab Urban out of there. And I'm just gonna blend that shade into the crease, which deepens it. More blending. Y'all, I always feel like I'm saying blend, 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 but you cannot have a really nice makeup look with different colors unless you blend the colors into each other. Now I'm just taking this concealer and applying it to my lid. My eyes are super hooded, guys, so it's easy for my lid color to get lost if I'm not careful. So if you have hooded eyes, adding this step may help you. It's also a great way to give your shadow something to hold on to and to make sure that it doesn't transfer, which is basically the same thing. And it also makes it last all day. Who doesn't want that? I'm just tapping that concealer out and blending that color down onto my eyelid with my BH Cosmetics blending brush. Now I'm taking Chocolate Gold and I'm applying it where I placed that concealer. Then I'm going to go back and blend more onto the lid. Last, I'm going to add lashes and liner off camera. Ardell Wispies and the Profusion liner is what I'm going to use. And this is what we have. Okay guys, that is going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what look you would like to see next. Bye.